Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to add and remove pay codes and accruals for full-time employees. Please note that only full-time employees qualify for this type of status. Okay, so let's begin. Go into your TimeForce page, put in all of your credentials, and then click Log In. The first thing that I will teach you how to do is update the pay policies. So, in order to do that, you need to go into the Employee tab, and then under Reports, you will see a little link that says Pay Policies. Click Pay Policies. And then you will see all of these different things. What you would need to do is in this case, what's going to happen is that a part-time employee is going into a full-time employee. However, if you hire on a new employee and they're all automatically a full-time employee, what you'll end up doing is just updating all of this information. So right now, what you're going to do is go under the Holidays tab and then select the different policies that this person is now qualified for because they are a full-time employee. So you would click the holiday and then click Add. And then you would do this for all of the different holidays. Add. So, as you see, now all of the different holidays are listed here. What that means is now this full-time employee is able to receive holiday pay. However, let's say, for example, there is a full-time employee who is going to be part-time employee now. So they are no longer working 36 hours, they are working less than 36 hours. They will already have these pay policies in their TimeForce. What you need to do in order to remove them is just click the X's on the right-hand side. So I'm going to say this again. This is for full-time employees going to a part-time status. You would click the X's on the right-hand side. So as you see, they are all being removed. Now this employee no longer has the status of a full-time employee. They are back to a part-time employee. Okay, so now to teach you how to do accruals. So, to update their accruals, let's say for this person, they are going to a full-time employee, or they are being listed as a full-time employee. What you would do for full-time employees, all full-time employees receive vacation pay. So in order to add this type of accrual, you would need to click the Add Accrual button right here. Then you put the accrual policy as vacation because the personal and the personal non-paid are already there. So if they have already been here, if you look at the hire date, it's 10/4/2017. What you would need to do is you would need to go back to this date because technically that's when they started. Oops, what am I doing? That's when they started. And for vacation pay, what you would need to do is vacation starts accruing from the first year. So it's not going to be from today. So then after you click the date, you just click Save. And then there you go. As you see, technically this employee does not have any vacation hours accrued because she has not been here for over a year. And then, for example, if an employee is going from a full-time to a part-time status. So specifically, they are going from a full-time status to a part-time status. So they are no longer working 36 hours and over, they are working under 36 hours and over. They will not qualify for vacation pay. What you will need to do if they do not qualify for this is the same thing as the other pay policy. You would need to just click the X on the right-hand side of the page. As you see, you will notice that it's still under here. It is not activated anymore. However, if this employee decides to go back to being a full-time employee, all you would have to do is just click Activate. But because this employee is still a part-time employee, what you will do is just leave it like this. And there you go. Now you guys know how to update remove, or add a pay policy for employees.